Hey, my name is Andres Torres and I'm part of group 401. I'm a member of team number 1 and our problem is number 4. Well, basically, problem number 4 is about regression equations, which are to find out the relationship between the data and the x values and y values. So, well, we made our table of values, which is represented here. In problem 4, we're going to find out the difference between the price of a sedan in 6 years, from 2003 and 2009. So here are the years, and here are the prices of each year. So in the first part, we have to graph the linear and quadratic equations. So using our graphing utility, we find out that the linear equation is this one, negative, well, that's the equation of the linear, and here's the quadratic equation. By using our graphic utility model, we got our two graphs. The first one, which is the linear equation, and the second one, which is our quadratic equation. The second part of our problem is what does the slope represent in the linear model? Well, the slope represents the change between each x point, like the rate at which y values are changing from every unit. So our slope gave us negative 1,687, and well, that's our slope.
Hello, my name is Gonzalez and I am from the group 401. And the part number C of the problem number 4 is to get the exponential equation using the graphing utility. We use a calculator from the computer and we get that the equation is this one. And the part D is to determine the horizontal asymptote. The horizontal asymptote is y equals 0. And the meaning for this is that the price of the car will never get to 0 and it will be decreasing at all times, but it will never touch the line that is in the y-axis.
Hi, my name is Bernardo Rodriguez and I'm going to explain the question number E from the problem number 4. This question is asking us for the rate of decrease when t, which is time, equals 4 and when t equals 8 by this original equation, which is 76.87 times 96 elevated to the t power, which is time. So we're going to do first number by 4 and then by 8. I'm going to plug in my calculator first 0.96 elevated to the 4th power, which is going to give us 0.84. Then we're going to multiply 0.84 times 76.87. I'm going to plug it in. And this is going to give us 65.28 as a rate of decrease of our original equation. Then we're going to t elevated to, which is the elevation of 0.96 to the 8th power. I'm going to do the same, 0.96 elevated to the 8th power, which is going to give us 72.72 times 76.87, which is going to give us a rate of decrease of 55.45. By these answers, we can see, as Jose Andres explained in question number C and D, that the price is decreasing, but every time it's decreasing less, because it's gonna get to a point which it cannot be 0. So this is explaining us that when every 4 years it's decreasing 65.29, which is a bigger number than 55.44, because the number is never gonna get to 0.